Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to import products using an Excel sheet in bulk. So rather than importing or adding products one by one, what you can do is import all your products using an Excel sheet. So what we are going to do is go to products, and from here, because we don't have any products, it shows you the bulk import option here as well. But otherwise later on you can go into actions and click here into bulk import. This takes us to the import section. Then what we are going to do is click on download empty template. The download is blocked. I can allow that and click here again. And it opens up an empty Excel sheet. And this Excel sheet you can fill in, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So basically I've already done that, and as you can see all my products are listed here, where I put in the code of the product, the name, the category. If I have a short description, I can put that in. Otherwise, we can leave it empty. The description, selling price, and the product price. Product price is sometimes referred to as the MRP. There are many more fields which we are not going to discuss in this video, but what we can do is then discuss it later on. Once we've done that, we can continue to the next step. Attach that file. This is the file there, and press start. This goes ahead and imports all those 24 products into the system. But what you can see is we've not imported the products photographs. So if I go to the website, you can see that the products have been imported, but the Excel sheet of, using the Excel sheet, but the photographs of the products are still missing. So in the next step, we can continue and we can then import all the photographs at once. But before we do that, it is important to understand that the name of those images, so if you can see that the name of these images have been kept as the code of that product. So this code of the product is basically out here. So if you can see this, the name of the photographs have been named using this naming convention. And if you've got multiple photographs, what you can do is you can name it as this is the name of the product, and then after that you can put in as __ A, and this becomes __ 2. This becomes the second photograph. We already have that. I'm not going to do that. So this is the second photograph, this is the third photograph, and this is the fourth photograph of this same product. So you can name all your photographs like such, and after you've done that, you can click here, and then these are all the photographs. I'm going to select all of them and I'm going to say open. And this goes ahead and uploads all your photographs into the system. We'll wait for a while because it takes a little bit of time. At the back end, what is happening is these photographs are getting uploaded, and the name of the photograph is getting mashed out by the Excel sheet that you had uploaded, and it will align the photographs to the actual photos or actual products. Now if I go to my website and refresh that, you can see that these photographs of the products are completely here. I can click here, all products, and I can see all my all my images aligned to the products, and all the details are appearing here, and the related products are appearing here. If you don't have a proper naming convention, something like this would happen where it was not able to map the product code to the photograph. So make sure that you map it properly so that your photographs are uploaded. If I go back to my products, I can see all those photographs right here, and all the products right here. And as you can see that this photograph is missing, what I can then do is edit it manually. And then let's say if I go in here and this was the photograph, I can upload it manually out here. So any missing photographs, you can apply it from here. And these are the extra photos. So I'm going to upload it here, save all changes. If I go back now to page 2, you can see that the photograph of the missing photograph of that product has now been aligned. So that's about it. Thank you.